guys, today we're doing a every time I crash had to change the truck I'm driving, and so we're starting off with the first truck you can find in the catalog. So let's begin. So let's try to drive this. Let's hope I don't crash, and we have AI driving around, so let's hope I don't crash into them either. Do you think it would be a good idea if I turned on engine braking? Because yeah, if I engine brake, that will help me slow down if a truck crashes into me or something. Look, we already have a crash. Okay, now this is our next truck. It's the second truck you can find in the catalog, and let's hope that I don't crash in this. I don't want to fry my clutch, because if I fry my that is not a crash. I didn't damage my truck. That guy's station wagon was always like that. So let's continue on. Let's hope we don't crash. Oh my gosh, the steering. So I just shifted, and let's hope my clutch is gonna be killing me, I swear. And what's also bad is that if I crash, there could be a chance that when I crash, my radiator starts leaking, which means my engine will get overheated. So let's hope that doesn't happen, and let's continue on. Oh heck. Okay, I think I should stay on gear 3. Gear 3 is probably the best thing, since it's like we're going about 50-ish kilometers an hour, so now we're going 60-ish once we hit 40, so let's hope we don't crash. What are you doing? That AI just turned blind-eyed. Okay, I'm gonna fry my clutch. Oh. What the? Did I rip that guy's mirror off? I think I ripped that guy's mirror off. But that didn't damage my truck, which is good. I'm gonna try drifting. Oh. Okay, well, as you can see, I crashed, so time to change the truck. Now, this truck looks like it means some business, because look at all the stuff behind here, the drive shaft, but looks like the gear shifting sucks, which is bad. Okay, looks like this has a terrible gear 3, I think. Yeah, terrible gear 3. Oh, heck! Did I seriously crash already? No! Come on. Why? Now my oil pans are leaking all over my engine. Okay, I'm kind of excited for this truck since it looks pretty cool, and let's hope the gears are pretty long, because this truck this is seriously the first gear, okay, I'm on my 3rd gear now. Maybe if I say this to okay, round of fire. Okay, let's see. Let's hope I don't crash. And so I think overdrive means that's meant for long distances, which means longer gears, I think. I don't know. I'm not good with trucks. Okay. Shift. Why aren't you shifting gear? Finally, there you go, gear. Okay, so I think I'm actually going a bit faster than all these other cars in front of me, so let's see if I can... What the heck? That is not a crash. That is not a crash, everyone. The van, that's not a crash. Why is the van stopped up there? I didn't crash into him. Oh, heck no. Okay, now that is a crash. So now it looks like I'm in a bit more heavy duty of a truck. Okay, I'm gonna say overdrive. Gears, why aren't you shifting? Did I seriously damage my gear shifting already? It doesn't count as a crash. I think I just broke a component in my engine. I don't think that means that I crashed. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. Like, come on. Like, why? Well, on this note, I think I suffered a lot by crashing repeatedly on accident. So have a good rest of your day and subscribe. Bye.